Welcome to Healthy Secrets. If you care about your vision, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button right now, because what you're about to learn about retina regeneration is not what most doctors are telling you. Ready? Let's dive in. Here's a question. What if I told you that the #1 retina repairing superfood is probably sitting in your kitchen ignored? And no, it's not carrots. In fact, carrots are kinda overrated when it comes to real retina regeneration. Surprised? Drop a comment if you've been told carrots are the holy grail for your eyes. Let's get controversial, because I'm about to name 5 superfoods that clinical studies show can actually help repair and protect your retina, but most people have never even heard of them. And yes, I'll share easy ways to sneak them into your daily routine, plus a secret pairing that turbocharges their effects. First up, spinach. But not just any spinach. Baby spinach, raw. It's loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants act like sunglasses for your retina, literally filtering out light damage. According to a recent study, people who ate just a handful of raw spinach daily had 43% less risk of age-related macular degeneration. So why isn't this on every doctor's prescription pad? I want to hear your thoughts in the comments. Should doctors be talking more about food and less about pills? Second, wild-caught salmon. Forget farmed fish. The omega-3s in wild salmon, especially DHA, are retina gold. They help repair damaged cells and fight inflammation. But here's where it gets spicy. Some experts say plant-based omega-3s aren't nearly as effective. Do you think vegans are missing out, or is this just fishy marketing? Sound off below. Third, goji berries. Yep, these little red gems are packed with zeaxanthin and carotenoids. A clinical trial showed that eating goji berries improved macular pigment density in just 90 days. But here's the catch. Pair them with a handful of walnuts. The healthy fats boost absorption, making the benefits even stronger. We're just getting started. The next 2 will blow your mind. Fourth, eggs. That's right. The yolk is where the magic is. Lutein, vitamin A, and zinc, all in a perfect package for your retina. But eggs get a bad rap for cholesterol. What do you think? Do the benefits outweigh the risks? Let's debate in the comments. And finally, the mystery superfood, red bell peppers. They're loaded with vitamin C and beta-carotene, both proven to reduce retinal cell stress. Try them raw with hummus, or toss them into a salad with spinach and eggs for a retina repair power bowl. So which of these superfoods shocked you the most? Have you tried any retina-friendly recipes? Share your tips and questions below. I read every comment. Don't miss our next video, where I'll reveal the worst foods for your eyes and how to avoid them. Thanks for being part of the Healthy Secrets community and for watching our exclusive content. See you next time.